In this video, I will show you how to redeem RevPoints on Revolut. So if you haven't started yet on Revolut, then go ahead and check the link in the description to get started absolutely for free and to earn some nice starting bonuses. So anyway, let's dive into the video by clicking on RevPoints at the bottom right from our Revolut home app. So in here, we are going to scroll down, and when we scroll down, we see in here this section, Redeem Your RevPoints. And in this section, you can basically select any form of way to redeem your RevPoints. So we have miles, shops, stays, and different experience on here. So let's say you want to redeem your RevPoints on miles, so on flights. Then you can basically go ahead and select a carrier, let's say KLM, and then you want to click on continue. And that way you can transfer your points over to airline miles. And this way you can save on flights. And let's say you want to save on shops, then you are basically going to click on start shopping in here. And then you can basically select something that you want, and then you can shop and earn 5 times points. And after you can redeem them as well when you make purchases. So when you want to redeem them on stays, you click on stays. And in here, you're basically going to select the destination you like. So let's say Dubai. Let's select a timestamp, click on confirm. So in here, we can see that we earn 1 point per €2 spent and that we redeem for rewards like stays, discounts, and more. So as you can see, when you buy this hotel in here with this room, then you will pay €116 and you will earn 45 rev points. So when you click on choose rooms, let's say, then you are going to select a room and then you can add money. So when you click on add money and when you process this checkout, you will eventually see a screen where you can redeem your points. So then you have to click on that. So that is for the stays. Let's click on experience. And in here, you can click on explore more. And basically here you can see a lot of different things that you can redeem your Revolut points for. So this can vary from museum tours to boat tours, basically anything you can think of. And you can search for a certain city. And then when you process over to the checkout payment screen, then you will be able to redeem your rev points for this. So that is how you redeem rev points on Revolut. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.